My name is Mary, and I'm from Canada. Welcome to my latest series on basic pronunciation. This video talks about short vowel sounds, which are fundamental elements of English phonetics. We're helping you express your thoughts and opinions in English. Short vowel sounds have brief and simple pronunciation. Cat, bed, sit, pot, mud. Here are words with short vowel sounds. Please repeat after me. Top, cat, dog, bed, hit, cup, net, mud, sit, pen, bug, jam, lip, box, rug. More practice, because practice makes the master. Please pause the video and complete the exercise. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show and the practice, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can see all the Talking with Mary books on Amazon.